Today we are making seitan. I hope you enjoy this video. Seitan is so easy to make. You already know what is seitan, right? Because is your first time in here? If it is your first time in here, please sit down. I hope you are cozy. Grab something to drink. It might be a bit lazy, our method, but there is a reason to our madness. And I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you at the end. Outside for the next 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. It's just because it's still hot, right? I don't want to put it in the fridge because there is something about not putting things in the fridge when it's too hot. I'm just quoting my mom. I don't know if she's right or wrong. So here it is. Seitan, really easy to make. You already see me making seitan. I don't even know how many times, but I hope it never gets old. If it does, you let me know. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you always, always, always. I'll see you on my daily shorts. If I don't see you there, you also have a post on Mondays. You know where to find me, right? If you don't, here it is. Vanessa Isabel, 2312, everywhere. Ciao, ciao.